Alright guys, here we go. So, you guys know we do all kinds of installs here at the shop. Well, right now what I'm really trying to focus on more is auto glass and window tinting, because I'm training my boy to get that down so he can take care of it. From what it looks like, he's got it on how to remove them, but installation and how to lay down the adhesive is where he's got to work at. And then he's doing installs little by little, but you know, it's hard to teach him every little thing that I've learned in these past 20 years of doing this in 1 month. Well, just in a year or two, you know, it's really hard, but he's getting the hang of it. Anyways, I don't want to make this a long video. Here we go. We got an alarm system. This is a basic Viper alarm system. We're going to be installing it on this Camry here. So this alarm comes with siren. You guys know these sirens just work off power and ground. Check this out, pretty much. It's just power and ground. Here we got all the wiring that we got to do on it. Crazy amount of wires here. You got to have patience to wire all this up into a car. It's not easy. So this is an example of stuff that you cannot learn just in 1 year or two. It takes time to learn all that stuff. So that's going to be for this Camry here. We're going to install the alarm. The alarm's going to come with a kill switch, siren, flashing lights, power door locks, shock sensor, all that good stuff. So it's going to be a pretty good alarm. We can do alarms on most vehicles. I don't recommend doing them on like newer vehicles. It's just extremely hard to do those. But anything like from like 88 to 2005, 2006, maybe a little bit newer, we can still do something for you. So that's gonna be for this one. Let me show you guys the other job. This is an ambient kit, ambient lighting kit that we're gonna be installing on a Chevy Silverado later on. We got a little subwoofer here. This is an 8-inch subwoofer. And we got Alpine speakers. This is a really nice set, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna be installing this on, okay? So check these out. I'll show you guys these. These are the components from Alpine. So this here fits on most vehicles. I'm gonna say Honda Accords, Toyota Camrys, Honda Civics. This right here is a really good setup, and I'll show you guys why. So this is the components, right? The components come with the speaker and then the tweeter aside. This is a coaxial. Coaxial comes with the tweeter built in and the speaker. These are the Type S. Let me take you around the back and show you where we're gonna put this stuff on. So these components, we're gonna be installing it on this Accord here. Like I mentioned, this has the speaker and then the tweeter. The customer's complaining about him not having a nice, clean sound. So we told him, you know what, start by replacing your speakers, and let's see how that's gonna sound for you. As you can see here, we're gonna put the components because it does have a speaker here. And then on this Accord, it does have the tweeter on the top pillar. So we're gonna put the component set up here with the crossover and make it look nice and clean. Now on the back, well, it's gonna be hard to see. It does have, let me see if I can open this real quick. All right, go ahead. Okay, sorry. So right here, you know, it's got that center subwoofer that you see right there. That's where we're gonna be putting in that 8-inch subwoofer. And then on the sides, he's got the 6.5s. That's where we're gonna do the coaxial. Okay, so the components here are for the front, coaxial for the rears, and then we did go with the JBL 8-inch subwoofer for that center speaker. So just something that we can help you guys out with. These are just some samples of what we do here at the shop. I'll take you guys a little bit through the process, and hit us up if you guys need any work done here at D's Garage. Let's go.